Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 7th, 2025, we're taking a close look at Ethereum, or ETHUSD, amid some pretty turbulent news. Headlines are screaming about a crypto market annihilation, with Ethereum collapsing by 10%. We're also seeing reports of a major Ethereum whale facing liquidation risks due to these market fluctuations. Some are even pointing out that Ethereum's price is nearing levels not seen since 2018, erasing 7 years of gains. Let's look at the charts and try to see if the technicals support these claims and what to expect. We're starting with the one-day chart to get a broad perspective. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see a recent significant drop, confirming the news reports. Specifically, we can see from April 11th, 2024 to April 13th, 2024 the price dropped from $3,503.06 to $3,011.39. That is a drop of 14% within 2 days. Let's narrow down to that time frame. Now let's go down to the 1-hour chart to get some insight into what was happening. Looking at the candles from April 11th to 13th in more detail, there wasn't a period of consolidation before the fall. It just immediately plummeted for many hours. Now let's zoom in on some recent price action on the 1-hour chart as well. Zooming in on the last few days from April 4th, 2025 to today, April 7th, 2025, we can see a few candles that are trying to recover from lows around $1,535 from April 6th. Ethereum's price appears to be hovering around $1,700 to $1,900, suggesting a potential support level. However, the overall trend is bearish, and it's important to be cautious. Given the recent news, it's possible we could see further downside. On the other hand, if Ethereum can break above $2,000 and hold, we could see a bullish reversal. Let's zoom out to a one-day chart to get a better view of previous areas of resistance. Taking another look at the daily chart, we can see that in early March 2025, there was a point where Ethereum's price was around $2,100 to $2,400. It dropped greatly shortly after that. That range could serve as an area of resistance in the short term. Overall, these areas need more volume to be retested and confirmed. Looking further back, we can see Ethereum has tested areas near $3,000 multiple times as well, and that could be a long-term resistance. To recap, keep an eye on these key price levels. Short term, $1,700 to $1,900 range seems to be a support for now. If that breaks, a move down to $1,500 is possible. On the upside, $2,100 to $2,400 represents the nearest important level of resistance and consolidation. Longer term, $3,000 could be a significant barrier. Considering all the factors, I'd say there's a 60% chance we see further downside in the short term, with a 40% chance of a bullish reversal if ETH can maintain price above $2,000. If the negative news persists or intensifies, the likelihood of further decline increases. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts, and good luck trading.